Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel SNA Foods and Crafts. Today we are going to be making a craft video. Today it's going to be a kaleidoscope. So let's get on with it. Whoop! Okay, so let's start. We need a pair of scissors, a plastic sheet. It does not need to be exactly like mine, but it has to be transparent. Then a sheet of paper. It can be any color, not exactly black. We need a tissue paper roll or a paper towel roll. But if you don't have this long, you can just use one or two tissue paper rolls. It's your wish. It's up to you. And next we need some glue and this paper cutout, as you can see. I just took a sheet of paper and cut a hole in the middle like a donut. So it's very easy to cut this type. Now as you can see, we need this sheet of glass, which is, you may not have this. So instead of this, you can just use some cardboard and make a triangle out of it and put some aluminium foil inside. Oh, I forgot to mention, instead of the glue, you can also use some tape. Now next we need the tissue paper roll and the sheet of paper. You should cover the tissue paper roll with the sheet of paper. So as you can see, I wrapped the tissue roll with the sheet of paper. And I cut the side because my glass is not that long. So yeah, you can do that too. We need the glass to be a little bit shorter than the roll so that it does fit inside. Now you must be wondering why the inner part is yellow, because I painted it also. You can do that too if you want. And the next step is we take the plastic container which is transparent and take our beads, as you can see. I recommend beads should be transparent a little bit so that you can get the look more nicely. And next, fill the beads in the plastic container. I already did it, as you can see. And now attach the container to the kaleidoscope. It should fit in like this. It should be equal to the top of the kaleidoscope. Now take your glue and apply it on the surface of the top of the kaleidoscope. So you should apply it like this. And now take the other container and attach it to the top. As you can see, I've done that now. And make sure that the beads do not touch the glue. Otherwise, you can't rotate it. There will be a huge problem. And now let it dry for some time. Hold on the top until it dries so that it does not come off. Now take a pencil and draw a circle around the kaleidoscope on your plastic sheet. And now cut that circle out. So now after you cut the plastic, you have to stick it on top. So you can take your Fevicol and then apply it on top like this. So now take the piece and then stick it on top. So now this part is done. Let it dry and let's move on to the next step. Take your glass or your cardboard and your aluminium foil. The main thing about a kaleidoscope is the prism. So if you use your cardboard and your aluminium or your glass, you have to just make a simple triangle. It may be a little hard with the glass, but you can just add the tape on the bottom and then make the triangle. So if you do, it will look like this. I know it looks so beautiful. Now take it and put it inside the kaleidoscope. Don't put it in the bead side. Flip it around and put it in the side which you have a plain hole. Now I've inserted the glass inside the kaleidoscope. As you can see, it looks really beautiful because of the glass and the beads. So like that, the kaleidoscope is done. So now take your donut shaped paper and stick it on the surface of the side which is not covered. And now as you can see, it's stuck, and just hold it for some time so it does not come off. So just like that, your kaleidoscope is done. And now I'm just gonna add some stickers so that it looks nice. This is completely optional. So now you just made your own kaleidoscopes. As you can see, making of kaleidoscopes are very easy. Now I'm going to show you how the inner part looks. So as you can see, I have to adjust the camera inside the hole of the kaleidoscope. And as you can see that beautiful structure, it is very beautiful. You should try it with your kaleidoscope. It's awesome. So now your kaleidoscope's ready. So go on, check it out. Kaleidoscopes are really cool. Because of the reflection of the light, such a beautiful outcome pops out. So now, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like and share.